Workout done. Wisdom. Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Are you injured? Are you alive? Are you hurt? Are you injured? Are you alive? But did you die though? But did you even die, bro? So there's this movie in the 90s called The Program, a football movie. I'm a football mid-40s, 50s-year-old males. You saw this movie, The Program, and the guy was hurt, or he said he was injured. I can't remember, it's been so long. But the coach said, are you hurt or are you injured? What's the difference? If you're hurt, you can still play. It just hurts. If you're injured, you can't play, period, like you're injured. So I've had this like elbow thing. Started almost a year ago. I know this because it was right before the my wife's birthday, which was before the hurricane last year. So it's been 11 months. And the funny thing is, it was right after the hurricane when I noticed I'd taken 3 days off. No working out, I was feeling great. Next day I went to work out, my elbow hurts. Not tennis elbow, I've been told it's golfer's elbow. Anyways, it's like, do I go to the doctor? Do I do this? Do I do that? Yeah, I should. Research online. But for the most part, like, I've just kind of worked through it. It's still here after a year, but it's less painful. I think it's going away. Now I'm getting on the other elbow. But here's the point. Here's the lesson. It hurts. It doesn't mean you quit. You just keep going, right? You're not injured. You're not out of the game. And you're sure as hell not dead because you're hurt, or even if you're injured. So are you hurt, injured? Are you dead? Are you alive? So how does this apply to your wealth? All right, so like there's 4 pillars of wealth: spiritual, relational, physical, and financial. How does this apply to your wealth? So there have been times, many times, my friends, where I've been hurt in business. And there have been times where I've been hurt to the point I want to give up. Like I want to die, I want to quit because this hurts. There's been times where I've been injured in business, meaning like I have to stop. I gotta quit. I gotta shut this thing down. I gotta end this partnership. I gotta change my commitments. That's an injury, like you're gonna stop it. But the problem is people will check out and think, well, I've stopped momentum, I'm dead. Like that is dead to me. It doesn't mean that he can't resurrect that, okay? You can go from an injury and get back into the game. You can return back into the game. We see this all the time in sports. Some athletes with some massive, serious injuries, say sometimes they say they will never be able to come back and they return. How does this apply to relationships? You may be hurt by your spouse. She said something. I get it. It hurts. It doesn't mean that like you divorced your wife or you go cheat, or maybe it's the other way around. You know, like there's injuries that happen in a marriage. It doesn't mean like you take it to its grave. It may, I don't know your situation, but I'm just saying like maybe you're hurt and maybe you're characterizing that or painting that picture as an injury or it's death, and it's not. It's some pain, you gotta work through it. And if you give it some time, it can go away. Things can magically, with time, be your friend and heal things. Time is one of the greatest gifts that we have if we use it wisely. And sometimes it just means like when there's a hurt or there's an injury, there's a pain. If you can just learn to give it some time, you may find that it will heal. But the problem is you want to take it out to the pasture and put a bullet in it. And it's not ready for that. It's not time to take it to the grave. Are you even dead yet? A friend of mine used to say that. Yeah, but did you die? But did you die? No, you did not. No, you did not. You're hurt. You probably got some injuries in relationships, in business. Some of you quit the real estate game. You quit the business game. I'm telling you, some of my biggest victories in business have like absolutely come when, I'll tell you what, most people would have quit. And I was like on the brink of quitting so many times. Right now, I'm on the brink of a couple of things in the business world that are really big. Three that are really big. And I'm very proud of, partly because of what they are, but partly because of the backstory. The backstory is always the best. The times when I shoulda, woulda, coulda, quit, didn't, stayed in the game, took some time, got back in the game, didn't quit. The past hurt, the past injury, what happened in the past, that's the biggest blessing that we can get, is that place of that pain, that problem, that relationship, whatever it may be, my friend. That literally, that story is going to be the place where you can like literally have your trajectory and skyrocket your business from that story that was labeled pain, injury, hurt, death. Go back to that place, spend some time in it. Your sadness is seeking love. It's seeking a story. It's seeking a better conclusion, a more compelling future in your life, your relationship, your health, your relationship with God, your connection. Don't give up, my friends. You're hurt. Maybe you're injured. You ain't dead. You ain't dead. You got life in you, my friend. Go out and get after it.